Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Temple Heights Elementary School, Thela, also the Leadership Academy. And, just always an honor to be back here to share my heart. The students and staff, they really mean a lot to me. A lot of them came up to me even before my assembly today, my presentation for the AM/PM, just talking about, the difference that I've made in their lives, over the last few times that I've been here, just remembering some of their faces, their stories. And that kind of really tied into today's topic on compassion and being able to overcome some of the hurt, some of the pain that we go through in our lives. And some of those stories that I've heard, from different people here at this school in years past, dealt with loss, losing a parent, divorce, different life stresses, losing a pet, moving away, losing some friends basically, and switching to schools, like a physical pain, a surgery, and knowing that we have to get past a lot of this to be all in for this planet. That's what we tried to kind of hone in on today, through some experiential exercises, the meditation, of course, the inspirational videos, some of the positive music, just the picture slides that reinforce a lot of the anecdotes that I choose to share as it relates to compassion. And that's really putting yourself in someone else's shoes, right? That once you understand what that person is going through or has gone through, now you can sort of hit that common ground aspect and understand, if they're bullying, maybe there's something deeper, right? If they are exhibiting, some type of hurtful behavior, there's probably something underlying, right? And that's not easy to do because usually, if somebody hurts us, we want to hurt them right back. We don't want to take time to breathe, to relax, to really try to understand who they are and, what's really going on. But I'm hoping, through the time that I had with them, even this afternoon, that a lot of that hit home, and there's a lot of pin drop moments, even some tears. So I'm pretty sure that, something that was shared, really touched a piece of their heart. And knowing that, I can do that in a short amount of time, a 35, 40-minute assembly, think about that difference they can make in each other's lives for the rest of the school year and beyond. If they keep choosing to have that empathy factor in their life and continuing to see themselves and others for this as well. I bring this up in all my talks always, and a lot of them had their M's traced today. I love when I see that in the audience, but that M with the lines in our hand stands for miracle, right? We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And to know that we are true miracles, that's one way to live life, as though nothing's a miracle. But the other way is that everything is a miracle, right? And I think when we start to approach that from a more positive viewpoint, that's when things start to change. And I'm hoping again that something is going to be really instilled in the depths of their heart, that they're going to go out and keep being that change. And I love speaking of this NPR. I think this is kind of new, but throughout the ceiling line, they've put all these awesome quotes now. Compassionate champion. They got the dragons. This is the home of the dragons, of course. And just, talking about being the change, right? Be the kind of leader that you would follow, or that change starts with me. So I think it was a perfect environment for what we were trying to accomplish today. So thanks for touching my heart. We'll see you again in 2025. Until then, though, have a great rest of 2024 and first couple months of 2025 going into the new year. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.